So what are the materials required for this experiment? Table, paper, scale, V stand, screen, mirror,
double plaster.
okay, double tape gum, scale, and can you open this? Can you open this and show the concave mirror? Eraser, pencil. So what type of mirror? Just show it here. What type of mirror? Show it here.
Concave.
No, it's a concave mirror. So it's what the focal length of this 20 centimeter. And how can you identify the concave mirror? So it will be bent inside. So when you see this mirror, so it is bent inside. See here, you can see it is bent inside. By touching this surface, we can find out it is a concave mirror which is bent inside, right? Pencil. Just put the candle. Boys, bring one more candle here. Put the candle here. And also, obviously, boys will be having matchbox. So please place the matchbox here. Only matchbox. Place the matchbox here. Okay, right. So obviously, we have got candle from the boys only. Concave mirror. So here at this position. So let me place our concave mirror at nearly at what distance? Let me place at 20. Okay. At 20, let me place. So let me place my V stand here. What is V stand? We have got it. So let me place at 18. Okay. 18. It's standing at 18. Yeah, it's 18. Standing at 18. Okay, then I have my concave mirror. Bring the camera near. I'm placing my concave mirror here. Exactly here. From here. Then I have taken a candle. So let me place the candle here. So if you place a candle here, can you light it up? The candle. Yeah. So where is the object now? So object is so our focal is how much children? 20, right? So can you give me one pen? Can you give? I need a paper. Give. जल्दी लो We have got focal length how much children? 20 centimeter. So now then center of curvature will be 40 centimeter, right children? Center of curvature will be 40 centimeter. So what we are doing now here, after placing this here, so we have put it 20, right? We have put it 80 now. So we have put it 20, okay? We have put it 20. 20. We have placed it 20 because we don't have any place there, right? So starting, we are assuming 20 as 0 here. Assuming 20 as what? 0. So 20 as 0 means at 40 will be having focus point. Here will be F now beta. We are starting at 20 now. Then at 20 it will be, at 40 it will be focus point. Then at 40, then again 20, at 60 will be the center of curvature. So what are we doing now? We are placing the object beyond C. What are we doing? They are placing the object beyond C. Are we able to get the image? The light rays are coming from infinity and see where is it? Is it focus point? Come and see here. This is the. Once you see here. Show here. Show here. Here you show it here. Here the light rays. Can you see the light rays here? See if I shake the mirror, the light rays get shook and see. Yes or no? So when I have placed the object at we have got it focus. What we have got it? Focus point. Okay, right? So we shall not disturb it. ఇక్కడ నుంచి లైట్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి లైట్ రేస్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. Coming from infinity. Meeting where? At focus point. Meeting or not?
Yes, sir.
First diagram proved. Then second, object beyond C. Are you able to see this candle inside this mirror? Huh? So now let's take this. I need paper. Take one paper.
It's looking in front.
Just move. Girls, just move. Girls. Just move. नहीं और కొంచెం వెయిట్ జస్ట్ see immediately between F and C. You can see the image here. You can see the image here, children. Yes or no? So you can see the image here. When I move, the image is becoming blur. When I move here, the image is becoming darker. Can you see here? Brighter. See here. You can see the image. Did F and C or not? Here is F. Here is C. When object is beyond C, immediately between F and C. Clear? Right. Now let's put object on C. Object on C. If we are putting candle on C and checking where is the image. Where is the image, children? Let us check the image. Where is the image? Children, see here. I think I can get the image. I think so. Did I get the image here? Let's try from this side. When object is on C, image also will be on C only now. But we are unable to see the image, right? So let's slightly.
Okay.
So we are getting here. We are getting here, right? We are getting here exactly. So if I just bring the camera here. Just bring the camera here. Wait, I'll just shake this and show you. Here is right. See when object on C, image also on C only. Clear? है नहीं है? Right? Realign. Now when object between F and C. Object between C. Now can you catch the image here? Can you catch the image here? See there is no image here. Now image will be where, children? Between beyond C. Can you get the image? See children how far we are taking the image, right? Take it like this. We are unable to catch the image here between F and C or anywhere else. On C we cannot catch, but when we take it after C, see here is the C. When we take the screen after C, we are able to get the image. Image is bigger or smaller? Check it out. Is the image bigger or not? See the image bigger? Is the flame bigger or not? Flame badi hai nahi flame. Object is small. Image is big. Is it bigger here? Enlarged image, right? So still if I go, it's here. You see here? It's here. Object is small, image is big. Sir, no. Can you see here? Object is big, image is small. Okay? When object is between F and just show it here, when F and C, image will be beyond C. More than 100 centimeters still, right? It will be bigger image. And when I take it very far, it is becoming blur. So when I become blur, it is becoming clear. This is the brightest image, right? Image is bigger, right?
Yes, sir.
I think image may be 2 centimeters, but object may be 2 or 3 centimeters. But here it may be like more than 5, right? More than 5 centimeters, right? Still, correct? So when I move it very near, it is becoming blur because the light rays are converging. They are diverging. When I move to some different point to far away from here, now I can see brightest image. Yes or no? True or not? Yes. Now F. An object F. When we F, catch. Check it out. As image anywhere. See a screen to mirror and just to move away from the mirror. Can you catch the image? No. But where is the image? Image may be at infinity. Maybe at infinity. Maybe at infinity. Now still if I move this object closer, so what you can find out, you can find image where at infinity, directly you can find where children. You cannot catch these virtual images on the screen, but we can catch where? Inside the mirror. So just come and see here, just come and see inside the mirror. Because these are the virtual images which are very straight. You can see how it is, it's straight image, virtual image, erect image. Can you see virtual erect image? Because it is the object we have got, image we have got at infinity. Got at infinity. Come and see, boss, come and see. Right? Have you checked it out, children? Dekhe? Have you seen? Shall you try once? Or will you try?
Not like that. Hold it.
Everyone should come near.
What do you start? Rizal, madam? Yes, here. Just move front, little bit front, you move, it will get darker, I think so.